Hi Fit Fam, I hope everyone is doing great today again. And in this video, I would like us to test if you can do the African squat, and if you can do it, how long can you hold it? Without wasting so much time, let's get into it. Now you want to get into position, you want to pull your abs towards the spine, you want to make sure that your feet are shoulder width apart. Now you want to come down into the position using your butt and hips, making sure that your knees do not get beyond your toes. So I'm here in the position and I'm holding it right here. I'll start my timer so we can see how long I was able to hold it myself. Now, I do call this the African squat because we grew up in my country using this position to use the toilet, and I believe in many African countries it is done the same. However, some people refer it to as the Asian squat, so I believe people in Asia use the toilet in this way as well. If you haven't yet checked out my video that I made as to why this is the recommended position to use the toilet, then please do check it out in the video cards above. Otherwise, I will just go through it again, that this is the best position to use the toilet because in this position, the rectal muscles are completely relaxed and the contents of the bowel can easily be emptied out. Unlike in the sitting position that was developed by the Western culture, you know, many of you who use the toilet while sitting, the rectal muscles in that position are not properly relaxed, and there was a study that was conducted in an African community and in the West, and this study showed that actually people in the West are more prone to diseases of the colon than people in the African communities because of this reason. That is why diseases like colon cancer, rectal cancer, such diseases are common in the West because it is believed that in the sitting position, the bowels are not really completely emptied. Anyway, this position also inspired the so-called squat potty that helps to optimize the sitting position to get into this position. And basically, if you cannot achieve this position, that's a sign that your muscles, some muscle chains are shortened, and so you can't achieve this range. Otherwise, the position is very good for stretching out your glute muscles, for stretching out your quadriceps, as well as your calf muscles. So if you cannot do the African squat, or if you cannot do this position, it doesn't mean that you can't do it, and I also believe that this is not something genetic. With training and with proper stretching, you can be able to achieve the position. Now, other benefits of this position include the fact that it really helps to open the hips, it helps to improve the flexibility of the body, the mobility, the stability, and also it strengthens the lower body as well. So I'm still going. I don't know about you guys. I'm hitting the 3-minute mark and I'm comfortably still going in the position, though I feel the burn over there in my legs, especially the front muscles of my legs, but just keep going. Let's see if I can hit 4 minutes or even more. Continue going, continue holding. And if you can, it is very good that you can practice this position whenever you can. I mean, it really helps to strengthen and stretch out the muscles. Well, I'm almost hitting the 4-minute mark, so let's just keep going so that I can hit that. And I'm burning at this moment, guys, but keep going with me if you are still with me. And I think I will just stop just about now. I've made it for 4 minutes and about 10 seconds. And well, guys, that is just about it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below how long you were able to hold the position, or if you are even able to hold the position. Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, especially if you enjoyed this video, or even a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. My legs are actually burning over there. Don't forget to share it with your friends and families as well. Don't forget forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you never miss out on any of my future videos. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in my next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye for now.